Okay, we're out at the park by the school and we're going to test the H51S with new props. Got black props on it. And I'm out here with my trusty cheapo wind detector. I don't know if you can pick it up or not, but it's about 11 degrees, probably 10 degrees. And it says it's only about 5 or 6 kilometers an hour, gusts up to about 15, so just under 10 miles an hour gusts. Right now it's 8.5, 9. Okay, so we'll see what happens in a little while. A little landing spot there, and I haven't flown the 501 for a while, so let's see what happens. Okay, I just did another test and we've got some gusts up to 20. Let's see how this does. Here we go. We're gonna see what happens. We have 8 and 6. Start the video. Recording. Here we go. And we're gonna raise up. Good. He's moving pretty good. It's not bad. The battery's not that good though.